I would say that without a doubt this is an excellent course. Coming from somebody like myself that only had very little exposure back in my fellowship days to now, I think I wish I had this back in fellowship to have gotten me started on this path now to utilize the ultrasound machine more and more into practice. I think all the lecturers gave very detailed lectures that really provided a lot of significant insight for us to be able to gain better skill both from utilizing the ultrasound machine and diagnosing various pathologies.
Were you satisfied with the amount of hands-on scanning time?
Yeah, I mean, and that's where it's at. It's trying to be able to work with somebody who is very proficient to kind of, again, help you find the various landmarks and then be able to identify pathology and be able to increase your confidence when utilizing the ultrasound probe.